Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the garment so paint behaves predictably. Wash and dry the piece. This removes sizing and oils. Once done, flatten the shirt and insert cardboard under the area you'll paint to stop bleed-through. Mix fabric paint with textile medium per label, usually 1 part medium to 2 parts paint, to keep flexibility. Tape edges if you want sharp borders. Position stencils or mark guidelines lightly so you can paint confidently, and now you execute the design with controlled strokes and layering. You apply thin coats, thick paint cracks when dry, so build opacity gradually. Once the first layer sits tacky but stable, add a second coat where needed, wait 10-15 minutes between layers. If you want gradients, blend while paint is still wet. Otherwise, feather edges for soft transitions. Make sure to follow fabric grain. Long strokes with the weave create smoother coverage. Clean tools between colors to avoid contamination. Finish by curing and protecting your work so it lasts through wear and wash. You should let the paint dry 24 hours, then heat set. Use an iron on the cotton setting with no steam, press through a cloth for 3-4 minutes, or tumble dry per product instructions. If paint cracks, don't panic, lightly mist. Reapply a thin layer mixed with textile medium and recure. Make sure to wash garments inside out on gentle cycles to preserve color and flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.